channel, please subscribe to channel, and this is only for educational purposes, and please purchase authorized source of ISO if you want to use it for your business activity. Friends, we discuss about letter symbols which are used for the indication for the molded part in the drawing and it is interpretation. This is the letter symbol C indicated for core, E for ejector, FL for flash, FLF for flash free, G for gate, H for heat dissipation, chill marking, M for main, PRD for part removal direction, R for riser, S for slider, SMI for surface mismatch, HTF for taper to fit, TM for taper, TMD tool motion direction, and TP for taper plus, V for wind. Friends, these are the references which are used in ISO 10135 for this molded part. Friends, then the line represented is indicated by this. You can see this is line type number according to ISO 128-24, and application is for parting line of molds in the views. Then this is according to 4.2, and this is for parting line of the molds in sections and indication of restricted area. Then this line is according to ISO 128-24 is 05.1, and this is for the initial outline prior for forming and outline of the finished part within blanks and framing of particular fields or areas. Friends, these are the different line indication representation, and this is used in the drawing for indicating this application. Friends, then we have one more symbol, and this is for indicating parting line without fill on the both the sides and on another side. Friends, then we have here you can see letter symbol C, parting surface for the course is the application, M is the main parting surface of the mold, S is the parting surface for sliders. Friends, then we have indication here you can see the A is for indicating letter symbols. So let's see, this is the main parting surface of the mold is indicated by M. Then we have C is the parting surface for cold, and similarly S for the parting surface for slider. Then here is the example of indication of parting surface. Here you can see how this is a parting surface, and this is the symbol. Here also you can see this is the parting surface, and this is the symbols. It is used like this. Here you can see this is C for core, M for molds. So this is M for molds, and S for sliders, and then C for the core. So this is how it is indicated on the drawing. Friends, if you are not subscribed to Engineering Fundu, please subscribe to Engineering Fundu and like the video if you like it. Then we have tool marking, and graphical symbol for tool marking is indicated like this, and here also you can see we have letter symbol E is for ejector marking, G for gate marking, H for heat dissipation, R for riser marking, V for wind marking. Then here you can see how it is indicated. Here you can see E is for ejector marking, and then here you can see E is 5x is 5 times and 1 into 0.3. So these are the locations over which these are the 5 locations over which ejector marking is present, and here is the dimension. Then friends, we have example of maximum permissible surface mismatch, and here is the indication. This is the symbol SMI plus or minus 0.1, and this is the interpretation. So this mismatch along this line is less than or equal to 0.1. Friends, this is how it is considered. Then again we have combined indication with subtracted steppers at specified location. Friends, if you have specific locations, then you can see here this is a symbol, and this is L, this is at this length we need 2-degree taper subtracted surfaces. So here is the symbol, and here you can see its interpretation. At this location it is 2 degree from this and 2 degree from this. So this is the line at which it is to be applicable, and this is another line. So friends, this is how it is interpreted. Again, the top indication on feature of revolution. Here you can see 2 degree on diameter 10, then this is diameter 10, and here is the symbol. So this is in this direction 2 degree, and this is on revolution, so it is around the surfaces on round area. So this is how it is again interpreted on the drawing. Then friends, we have draft indication on feature of revolution intersected by parting line or parting surface. Then here is the parting surface. Here you can see we have 2 degree. So this is the 2 degree and this is the 2 degree, but this is applicable on this line only, up to this line only. So this is parting surface, and this is how it is represented on the drawing, and this is what the interpretation is. Then friends, we have individual draft angle indication on 4 features, and this is how it is indicated: 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree on all these 4 corners. So here is the interpretation of this. This is the 2 degree on this side and 2 degree on this side, and again on all the 4 surface edges. So this is how the 4 features draft angle indication on the drawing. Then we have individual draft angle indication on feature represented on a cross section of a part. Friends, here you can see the indication is cross section AA, and then we have draft of 2 degree. So here is the interpretation. Here you can see this is the angle draft 2 degree, and here it is. Friends, then we have indication of draft depending on the symmetric axis. Here you can see 2 degree, and this is the partition line, and here you can see the dimension. This is how the interpretation is. Here it is on symmetric axis, it is considered 2 degrees. So this is how it is to be interpreted, and this is how it is to be indicated on the drawing. Friends, then we have graphical symbol for sinks. Here you can see this is the graphical symbol for sinks, and then graphical symbol for sinks used with ladder and reference lines. Here is the ladder and reference line. Here you can see the symbol. Then we have example of sink marking symbol used with maximum permissible dimension of a sink mark. Friends, this is the symbol 1 with dia 3. Then here you can see the interpretation of this is the sink, and this is diameter should be less than or equal to diameter 3 mm, and then this depth should be less than or equal to 1 mm. Friends, this is how it is interpreted on the drawing, and this is how it is represented on the drawing, and this is how it is interpreted in actual practice. So friends, this is the short video about representation of molds on the drawings, and this is according to ISO 10135. And if you like my video, please like. Thank you very much, and happy learning.